What happens when educators step beyond the boundaries of conventional classrooms? The Faculty Development Program by Chanakya Teaching Learning Center offered exactly that, an enriching journey of learning, reflection, and innovation. Through the diverse teaching methodologies and learner-centric pedagogy, participants explored the evolving landscape of higher education. Insightful interactions with Dr. S. Somanath, Chancellor of Chanakya University, Darshan Shankar, Vice Chancellor of the University of Transdisciplinary Health, Science and Technology, Bengaluru, along with many other distinguished internal faculty members, brought a diverse perspective on education, innovation, and academic excellence. The session simplified key concepts of national education policy, graduate attributes, and course mapping, making them practical and easy to understand. Participants also gained hands-on experience with AI-powered applications, discovering new ways to make classroom more engaging, interactive, and impactful. More than a faculty development program, it was a collective step towards creating holistic learning environments where teachers grow, learners thrive, and education continues to evolve.